Cell envelope and its modification. Most prokaryotic cells, particularly bacteria, have a complex cell envelope. These cell envelope are made up from three layered structures. The outermost layer is known as glycocalyx. The middle layer is cell wall, and the innermost layer is plasma membrane. Plasma membranes have similar function as in eukaryotic cells. Both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells have similar functions. Glycocalyx is differ in composition and thickness among different bacteria. It could be loose sheath called slime layer in some bacteria, while in other it may be thick and tough called capsule. The cell wall of the bacterial cells determine the shape and provides a strong structural support. On the basis of the composition of the cell wall, the bacteria are divided into two groups: gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. Those bacteria that take up the gram stain. Gram stain is a special type of staining technique developed by the Christian Gram, a scientist. So those that take up the gram stain are called gram positive, and others that do not take up gram stain are called gram negative bacteria. The plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature and it forms a special membranous structures called mesosomes. The extension of plasma membrane due to the formation of mesosomes forms vesicles, tubules, lamellae, and this mesosomes help in cell wall formation, DNA replication, distribution of cell wall formation, DNA replication, distribution of daughter cells, and cellular respiration, secretion process, and increase the surface area of plasma membrane and enzymatic content. So mesosomes is formed due to the extension of the plasma membrane, and these extensions forms vesicles, tubules, and lamella, which help in formation of DNA replication, cell wall formation, distribution of daughter cells, respiration, help in respiration, secretion process, and to increase the surface area of the plasma membrane and enzymatic content. Now, there is another extensions formed in some cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are those bacteria which have photosynthetic activities are found. Remember that for the photosynthesis in cells, in eukaryotic cells, there is a special type of the cell organelles are found that is known as chloroplast. But in prokaryotic cells, the chloroplast are absent then how the photosynthetic activity will be occurred? The answer is behind this statement that in some prokaryotic like cyanobacteria there are other membranous extensions into the cytoplasm called chromatophore which contain pigments, and these chromatophore contain pigments help in photosynthesis. The bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. Motile and non-motile. Motile means they can move and non-motile they cannot move. If motile, they have special structures, filamentous structure which is known as flagella and which extend from their cell wall. Flagella help in motility of the cells, bacterial cells, and along with the flagella some bacteria have also hair like bristles like structures are found which is known as uh, pili or fimri. Pili and fimri do not help in motility but it help in uh, coagulations and also for the attachment to the rock in streams or host tissues. So this whole paragraph of the NCERT explanation is completed. The paragraph main heading is cell envelope and its modifications. In next video, in next audio and videos, we will discuss ribosomes and inclusion bodies.